I'm Sean with Max Home Inspections, and today I'm going to be helping simplify the buying experience for new home buyers.
Erika and Victor are getting ready to buy a new home, but before they do that, they need to get it inspected.
Today we're looking for damage, danger, and defects, and I'll be answering any questions they may have. Let's go inside and let me go over what I found so far.
Excellent.
Let's get started. I hope you guys are ready to have some fun.
Definitely.
Let's get this home inspection party started. We're gonna make some popcorn to test the microwave.
Oh.
While the popcorn is cooking, we're gonna go over the goodies that come with every Max Home Inspections.
Okay.
Excellent.
Our inspection comes with $15,000 of the warranty protection for you. That's a 5-year guarantee on your roof, a 90-day warranty on all of your appliances, HVAC, water heater, you name it. We're gonna get the report to you within 2 hours of completion of the inspection.
Oh, wow.
And we have 7 days a week, so if you have any questions, even Saturday and Sunday, someone's here to help you.
All right.
Perfect.
Enjoy your popcorn, and I'm gonna get started.
Thank you so much. So what do you think?
I think they're doing a really good job. I just hope that we don't have any termites. There's nothing wrong with the roof.
I know.
You know, we do have to make some change. Yeah.
Anyway, and we get good popcorn out of it.
Love the popcorn.
Oh, I think that's Sean calling.
All right. Just leave it. We'll go.
Let's go take a look.
Okay.
We've completed your inspection, and I'm gonna go over some areas of interest with you, so if you have any questions about them as I point them out, please ask me, and I'll go over all the details I can.
Great.
Perfect.
Let's start with this first one right here. As you can see down here, this is called termite frass. That's evidence of termites in the property.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Does that mean we're gonna have to tent the house?
And is it going to be expensive?
I totally understand the concern. This is Florida. Almost everybody here gets termites at some point, so we have a very low-cost option to help get it treated, and it's pet-friendly, eco-friendly.
That's good.
It's very cost-effective.
Because
We're here to help
as
you.
long as we don't have to leave the house.
Yeah, that's perfect.
You know.
And we're here to support you through that process.
Great.
Okay, great.
Let's go to the next one.
Perfect.
We took the serial number down on this and all the other ones. We run it through a database. If there are any recalls, they get repaired or replaced for free forever. If you do replace an appliance, you can update the appliance serial number, and you'll be notified if there are any updates on that one forever.
Perfect,
We've
thanks.
also checked your dishwasher, your stovetop, your microwave, and every other appliance you use on a daily basis.
And all that's included.
Included for free. So this is your electrical panel. I'm gonna point out this little gap we have right here. What we're missing here is called knockouts. We get an electrical contractor, they put in a nice small piece of plastic in here, and when they do that, you're pretty much protecting it from somebody putting their finger in there.
Now, is this one of those bad panels?
Oh, excellent question. There are actually 5 electrical panels that could cause a problem, and this is not one of them. So you're in good shape here.
Oh, that's excellent. Good to know.
Let's go outside. This is a double-sided lock, and there's a key required on both sides. Feel free to check it. So what ends up happening, in the event there was a fire inside your house, you needed to get out, you would be locked inside if you didn't have the key accessible.
Oh, wow. That's not good.
That's not good.
So what we recommend is go ahead and just replace the lock with something with a lever that you can turn easily from that side. We can recommend a locksmith to help you actually replace the lock. It'll be very inexpensive. I'm going to direct you to the front of the house so we can meet my specialist who's currently doing the sewer camera as you guys requested. So our specialist is going on the roof and taking a camera, and we're putting it down the sewer line. We're going to be inspecting inside of the actual sewer line that goes underneath your house. There's plenty of potential for problems there, and that's what we're looking for. When we do the sewer camera inspection, that gives you a year warranty on it, so if anything breaks in the next year, you're actually covered with $4,000 worth of protection.
That's great.
Wow, that's awesome.
We'll get the results from him shortly, and we'll see what we can explain to you.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to serve you guys today in your home inspection. If there's anything else I could possibly do, please let me know. My team is standing by 24/7 for the next 10 years to make sure that any question you may have will be answered.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Is there anything else I can do to help you today?
No, you've been very informative.
Very
Thank
informative.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.
Well, congratulations on your new home.
Thank you very much.
Thank
We
you
appreciate
so much.
it.
Appreciate all your
Absolutely.
help.
For more information, check out their website at maxhomeinspection.com.